one of the most basic principles when it comes to support and resistance, or what I like to call just simple structure, and how the market moves in terms of support and resistance and price. So for example, price can obviously drop to the downside, it then retests, bounces off, and now we've built some dynamic levels of support and resistance. So this previous support got broken and it now becomes the new resistance. So let's just call it structure, right? So now this is your previous structure. Price is now likely to reverse from this area. And where is it likely to reverse from? Again, you look left, structure leaves clues. Price then obviously rallies to the upside. And this is the potential area that price could reverse from. Again, look left, structure leaves clues. Simple, basic stuff, right? Doesn't mean it's always going to, completely respect these ranges and patterns. Again, these will easily break, retest, and where is it likely to retest to? You look left, structure leaves clues. So this is your most likable and more probable scenario that price could reverse from. And once it does reverse, now notice how it's formed new levels and new dynamic levels of support and resistance. So now this is your most conservative area that price could potentially reverse from. And then again, we just follow the same pattern, break and retest, look left, structure leaves clues. And then we've got, this is a simple setup. Again, structure leaves clues. 1, 2, we're expecting a third tap. Again, the market is not perfect. It can easily break and retest. And once it does retest, where is it going to retest to? Again, simple structure towards where we've got target 1. And again, we've got target 2. So just simple stuff, guys. And once price does actually reverse and rallies, and every now and again, yes, there's going to be momentum, there's going to be massive news, it's always going to stop at a dynamic level of a structure. Again, let's just say it reverses from this area. Just simple stuff, guys. And then this will be your most relevant next target that price could potentially reverse from. So again, simple stuff, support and resistance, look left, structure leaves clues, keep it simple, basic stuff. Now let's look at a more detailed approach of trading support and resistance.